6:45, quarter till 7 now. Meteorologist Seth Phillips is back. Unfortunately, not a whole lot of good news out there.
No, I mean, I guess if there's a silver lining out of all of this is that, hey, we're pushing record territory. We could be the wettest September of all time. But that being said, I know, that being said, it's like, well, there's going to be flooding associated with it. So, yeah, it's not necessarily good news in the forecast, but it is news nonetheless. So that's why we talk about it. Outside, though, it's either cloudy or rainy, depending on where those showers are lining up. It's also saturated. In fact, you can kind of see the halos around the lights out there. That's the fog that's setting up, or at least the haze, and that's going to be the case throughout the next few hours. Once the sun comes up, that goes away. But the rain will continue throughout much. So we've got Max Track over the last few hours showing you, obviously, that, yeah, I mean, it's not everywhere. There are areas that are just cloudy, but those rain showers have been moving through. In northern Kentucky, specifically the northern bluegrass, still getting a few light showers, especially from Nicholas County out towards Scott. Even in Fayette County, some light rain happening there, or at least some mist. In the southeastern counties, a little bit heavier rain stretching from Johnson County down into Floyd, a little bit of northern Pike kind of in the mix. And we also have our rivers that are swollen, specifically the Licking River into the South Fork that moves through Cynthiana. We've got Stoner Creek in Paris and Elkhorn Creek out there in Franklin County, all at flood stage and will be so throughout the next few days. That heavy rain that went through Pike County had also dropped some rain and not in southern Floyd. So that's why a flood advisory is in effect for at least a little bit longer. This is our 3-day rainfall, and you can tell it's been in a couple of areas. Specifically on Saturday was our southern counties. We had Burkesville and Cumberland County with Whitley City and McCreary. Both got quite a bit of rainfall with that system. And then the northern bluegrass yesterday is where a lot of that flash flooding was occurring. I'm talking about a lot. A lot of water was put down between Franklin County and Nicholas County. And look at that. In 3 days, Carlisle's picked up near 5 inches of rainfall. And keep in mind, if we wipe the slate clean, we're going to add another 4 to 5 between now and going through Thursday. So there's a lot more to come. As far as we're going to be seeing on the future track, some showers rolling with a warm front that goes north. Not a cold front, but it is an area of lower pressure that kind of sets up a linear shower line that's going to move through kind of the evening overnight tonight. So strong showers and thunderstorms with that. Not necessarily a break overnight, but not quite as much coverage. There will be some strong showers intermixed with a lot of cloud coverage. And then throughout the day on Tuesday, a little bit more scattered in nature versus these big swaths of moisture. And then for Wednesday, we keep it going. Big cold front setting up. And this is the cold front that's going to bring the change, the cooler air, the fall-like air mass that's going to be here at the end of the work week. But yeah, I mean, through Thursday, we're looking at 3, 4, possibly 5 inches of rainfall. So a flash flood watch will be in effect until about Wednesday afternoon for pretty much everybody but the southeast. New tropical system, some tropical storm Leslie, not going to do much. We're going to call this a fish storm. It's just going to kind of sit and spin and eventually get torn apart by wind shear, so no longer an issue there. Showers roll all the way until Thursday morning. Then after that, the sunshine comes out, and hey, we get a few days to dry out, at least going into the weekend, and fall-like weather sticks around. More news after the break.